Hi, I think you are doing well. In this video, I am going to share the problems and the solution of this current Gutenberg block. First of all, I have logged into your website and you can see this is our plugin section. First, we have to update this plugins. This is your core plugins in your theme, but there is a simple problems, and that is the plugins doesn't allow to show the custom post types in REST API. Without enabling it for the REST API, I never can show the content in the Gutenberg editor. So I have fixed this, adding a single line that is called the show and REST API. REST is true. Similarly, for this tool category, I have add this single line that is called the show in REST is equal to 2. So this is our updated plugins. First, you have to replace this old one with this new one. I am going to add the plugins. You have to select this upload button and then choose. I have kept these plugins in my desktop, and this is the updated plugins I want to select and install. When I am going to select and install this, it is saying this the plugins is already installed, but I want to replace this. So our plugins is successfully replaced and it is updated. Now we have to install our block plugins that includes the custom block. So I'm going to the add a new button, I'm going to the upload plugins, and again I want to select this is our plugins that includes the custom block. I want to open and install it. It is successfully uploaded. I have to activate it. So our plugins are activated and updated. If you scroll down, you will find this our plugins that includes the custom Gutenberg flow. I want to clear the cache. The cache is successfully cleared, and this is our tools area. This is all tools. So I want to create a new page. You can see this is our new page, tool slider, and if I update or refresh to see the block, and if I go to this icon, and you can see there is a new category that is called the tool slider. You have to add this. I have added, and by default it is loading the 4 slider. These are the 4 items. If you go these icons and if you select from this area this, and you will find a extra option that is giving me a field to add the categories. You can select multiple categories or single categories. So we want to take a categories like I want to go to the categories, 2 categories, and in this 2 categories I am seeing there is 2 categories names the cabin booking. There are 4 items, and front face there are 5 items, and Turkey there is 1 items and 4 items as grace. So if you go this area and you have to select a category, like I want to select front FR, so it is giving the suggestion of this category, front page. So the front categories tools are loading here. I want to go to update, view the page. You can see the 2 items are loading. This are coming from the this category, front face category. You can select multiple categories like Turkey, so Turkey, and you have to update, and finally you have to refresh. So this includes 2 categories, Turkey and front face. So there is a categories I want to show you. By default, this is a tour, and that is a big problems. If I go to the edit of this category, this tour category name is it doesn't have any category name, so I want to give a category name because I want to show you a problem. So like front press this category, and if I refresh this, I will see this is the construction site. So it is looking something like this. So why? Because if you go to this construction site, this is our tool. If I go there, I will see there is no featured image. If I explain, there is no featured image. Actually, this image is coming from this featured image of this tool, so you have to add this first. So I want to add, like I want to add this as this featured image and update. And if you refresh, you will see the image is visible here. So you can see the image is visible here, but this text is so long because if I go to the excerpt of this tool, there is the excerpt. I can go to excerpt. This is our excerpt. There is no excerpt value. It is completely blank. So it is coming from the text. I want to add some text like so I want to add some simple text is as excerpt, and in this area this our excerpt. And if I go back here and refresh, I can see this excerpt is visible here. So in case of these tools, the excerpt is given, but in case of this, the excerpt was not given. That's why you are getting a old behavior. So I want to also give the day like 7 days or 10 days. This is coming from your meta tags like price, or you can set the price like for $50 or something. Level, you can give the level holiday. So you will see there is the total days, like this is the total days number, like 10 days, and update. And if I refresh, I will see this is a level and this is a day. There is no level, that's why it is not visible here. A similar case for all of this. So this is the procedure to show the carousel of the true carousel. And if you view this mobile view, you will see it is working fine. So I hope you have understood the matter how to show the tool slider in your website. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you.